Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are fine. In this video I am going to explain you how to attempt your summer tasks. So let's start with the question number 1. The question number 1 is identify all the prime numbers from the following table and color them. As you know that prime number is a number that has only two factors or that becomes in its own table. Okay, so you have to find the prime numbers and you have to color them out. Question number 2 is find the common multiples of 4, 5 and 6. You have to find out the multiples that comes in the table of 4, 5 and 6 together, and then you have to color them out. So the next question is list all the factors of the given numbers and write whether the number is prime or composite. Here are two examples for you. The number is 32 and the 32 becomes in the table of 1, in the table of 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. So the number 32 has more than two factors, so it is a composite number. Okay, and 23 comes in only the table of 1 and in the table of 23, so it has only two factors, 1 and 23. If the number has only two factors, then it is called the prime number, and if the number has more than two factors, then it is called composite number. So you have to find out the factors of all these numbers and you have to tell whether it is composite or prime. The next topic is fraction. Fraction looks like this, and the upper part of the fraction is called numerator and the lower part of the fraction is called denominator. So you have to now you have to know that what are the like fractions and what are the unlike fractions. The like fractions are the fractions with the same denominators, and in the example is given there. Here are three fractions. Okay, 2 by 7, 5 by 7 and 1 by 7. So denominators of all the fractions are same, so they are like fractions. And unlike fractions are those which have different denominators, or the fractions that have different denominators, like 2 by 5, 2 by 3 and 2 by 9. In all these fractions the denominators are different, so we can say they are unlike fractions. The example of unlike fractions is given below. Like this is a shape and it has 4 total parts and the one part is shaded. Okay, so we will write the total parts in denominator and the shaded part in the numerator. So it will become 1 by 4 and this shape will become 1 by 2, and the denominators of these both fractions are different, so they are unlike fractions. The next topic is multiplication of fractions. So you have to multiply the fraction. There are two examples for you. The first, I'm going to explain the first example. Here are two fractions, 2 by 5 and 6 by 7. You have to multiply. In multiplication of fraction, we will multiply the numerator of first fraction with the numerator of the second fraction and the denominator of the first fraction with the denominator of the second fraction. Like 2 multiplied by 6 and 5 multiplied by 7. 2 6 are 12 and 5 7s are 35. Same is the case with these two fractions. You can reduce the fraction in its lowest form if both the numerator and denominator can be divided by the same table. These both can be divided by the same table, like 2 1s are 2 and 2 6 are 12, so we will reduce it to its lowest term, 1 by 6. Another example number 2. In this example we will deal with the mixed fraction, and we will convert the mixed fraction in the simplest form, then we will multiply and we will follow the same procedure given in the example number 1. We will first change the mixed fraction in the simple form, like 4 ones are 4 and add 3 in 4, then it will become 7 and denominator will remain same. Okay, and same is the case with this mixed fraction. Now we will multiply 7 5s are 35 and 4 2s are 8. Now we can change them in the mixed fraction, because they cannot become in the table of, they cannot come in the same table, 8 and 35. So we can divide them and we can answer in the QRD form. Now you can solve the question number 4 by following the steps given in the example, and question number 5 as well. The next topic is division of fraction. In the division of fraction, we have to follow some steps, and the first step is to change the sign of multiplication and then taking the reciprocal of the fraction that you are dividing by. So let me explain you the example. Here are two fractions, 4 by 5, and the sign of division in between them, and the next fraction is 2 divided by 3. So we will take the first fraction as it is, 4 by 5, and then we will change the sign of division into multiplication, and then we take the reciprocal of the next fraction. After taking the reciprocal, it will become like 3 by 2. Now we can multiply them. 4 multiplied by 3 12, and 5 multiplied by 2 10. Now you can cut them down with the same table, like 2 6 are 12 and 2 5s are 10, and you can also divide them to change in the mixed fraction. Now you can divide the fraction in the question number 6 by following the steps given in the example. The next topic is addition of fraction with different denominators. If the denominators of fractions are different, so we cannot add them. First we have to make the same denominator, then we will add them. Okay, so the first fraction is 2 by 15 and the second fraction is 3 by 5. So what we can do to make them same, we will multiply 5 by 3 and we will get 5 3s are 15, and the denominator will become same. So when we multiply, we will multiply by 3 in the denominator and the numerator as well. So this fraction will become same as it is, and the sign of plus, then 3 3s are 9 and 5 3s are 12. Now the denominator are same, so we can add them. 2 plus 9, and the same denominator will be written one time. Then 2 plus 9 is equal to 11 and 15 as it is. Okay, the next example is 3 by 5 plus 3 by 2. Now 5 will not come in the table of 2 and 2 will not come in the table of 5. So what we can do is we will multiply in this fraction by 2 and in this fraction by 5. We will multiply by 2 in both denominator and numerator, and we will multiply by 5 both in numerator and denominator. So we will get 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, and 3 5s are 15, and 2 5s are 10. So now the denominators are same. Now we can add them. 6 plus 15 is equal to 21, and the denominator will be the same. Now you can add the following fractions. The next topic is different types of triangle. So write the properties of the given triangle, also draw the figures. The given triangles, you have to draw the shapes of the given triangles, and you have to write the properties. You can take help from internet as well. Thank you so very much for watching this video. Take care of your health. Allah Hafiz.